What is up? It's me, Looksbylottie, and welcome to today's video. If this is your first time here on my channel, then welcome. I'm so glad to see you here today. Make sure to subscribe down below if you like videos about makeup. After LOTTIEWEEN is finished, which will be next week, then I'm going to be uploading every Tuesday and Friday. So make sure to subscribe for more fun videos. If this is your second, third, fourth, or however many times you've been here, then welcome back. It's so good to see you again. Make sure to have a notifications bell on so you never miss any of my videos. Today we are going to be doing an undead bride tutorial. And so it's like a little bit of like, you know, glitz and glam, but also a little bit of like the creepiness. I can personally relate to being an undead bride because I am divorced. So is this kind of shade at my ex? Since I initiated the divorce, is it shade towards me? I don't know, but I am ready to dive in. The first part of this video is going to be me doing, you know, a natural makeup look for a wedding day. So I'm just going to do a voiceover for that. But then once we get into the more creepy, kind of gory-ish parts, then it'll just be a normal video. So this might be a long one, or it might not. But either way, tune in for the ride. Now let's go over to VoiceOver Lottie. Take it away, bestie.
Hey friends, it's VoiceOver Lottie. I'm back to give you the details on this gorgeous bridal look. After using my primer of choice, I used the Rare Beauty Lightweight Foundation. Gotta shake it up first! I like this foundation a lot because of the skin-like finish, plus the easy application with the doe foot tip. Of course, I had to pair the foundation with the brightening concealer. They're like the perfect match ever. I place it in all the usual spots I like to conceal and blend it out with my avocado sponge. Next, I took the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder and set my concealer. It's not exactly baking, but also, it kind of is. For my eyeshadow, I used two of my Kaja Beauty Bentos, one in style Neutral Moment, which is more cool toned, and then style Velvet Dream, which is more warm toned. I started my crease with the shade Java Jazz from Neutral Mood. Instead of following my entire crease, I blended up towards the beginning of my nose bridge, as if I'm changing my eye shape entirely. I warm up the area closest to my nose with the shade Rosy Velvet from Velvet Dream. When I bronze my nose later, this will help my crease and nose shading look sleek and smooth and meant to be together. To soften up my crease shadows, I take the shade White Chocolate from Velvet Dream and blend up to my brow bone. I dipped my brush in the shade Modern Beige from Neutral Mood and tapped it all along and a bit above my lid, leaving a little space along my outer corner for our next shade. I deepened up the look with the shade Cocoa Drip from Neutral Mood, pressing it in the outer corner and blending it up into the crease. I also used the same shade as my winged liner. I carefully drew a line extending towards the tip of my brow and then tapped the shadow along my lash line. Now it's time for lashes, which I did off camera, of course. To bronze my nose, I took the warm shade out of a Juvia's Place bronzing duo in shade Light and used an eyeshadow brush to slim my nose a bit. To set my face, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Setting Powder and, well, I set my entire face. Now I'm going to lightly outline and fill in my brows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I personally use shade 2.5. Using the cool tone shade from the bronzing duo, I'm now sculpting my cheekbones, forehead, and jawline to perfection. For blush, I dove into the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette and mixed my two favorite shades, Pink Moon and Stargaze. To highlight my face, I use the Ciate London X Christine Quinn No Filter Universal Complexion Brightener. After tapping it down with a wet sponge, it literally made my face look so perfect. For the lips, I used 3 different products. e.l.f. Extra Atkin Extra Lip Kit in shade Bring It On Brown, which I use to line my lips, Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in shade Kylie, and Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream in shade Mauve Wives. And that is it for the bridal look. This has been my go-to for a natural look recently. It's super flattering on me, and I just love it. Now it's time to become dead. See you in a second.
Okay, so I did have a bit of an outfit change because of a reel I'm making. But we are now going to go into part 2, which is where I become the beautiful zombie undead bride that I was meant to be. So the 2 palettes I think I'm going to be using the most for this are going to be the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 and the Alexis Stone palette. They both have different shades that are used for different kind of SFX kind of things. This isn't going to actually be special effects, but it's gonna kind of look like it. I'm not good with SFX. So first we're gonna take the Alexis Stone palette and we are going to take the gray shades. We're just gonna kind of put it around the sides of my face and also a little bit on my contour to make me look like I don't have a lot going on. Or maybe that I've been in a fight. Did I ever tell you guys about the fight that I was in? It doesn't end well, so that's probably why. Next, using those same shades, I'm going to add some darkness around my eyes, specifically add some little eye bags and then just make this look a little deeper and add some other things like to make it look like it's like just sunken in and just like I'm gonna add some overall just like more kind of gray spots over my face. I'll be back to you guys when I'm finished doing that. All right, now we are going to, this needs to be blended out in a minute. Now we're gonna add some bruising all throughout everything. Under my eyes, just like random places on my upper body. And that is where the Jaclyn palette comes in. And for this, I'm gonna be mixing this purple shade and this yellow shade right here. All right, to add like a kind of gross aspect, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of red lipstick to be like kind of like, oh, this is like an open sore kind of gross moment thing. We'll see if it works out. Maybe add like a glass to it too. I think I'm gonna set everything with the Can't Stop Won't Stop finishing powder because it's like a translucent white powder. It'll just make me look super pale. Yay! More pale than I already am. Alex, how do I look?
Oh, wow.
You have the same reaction every time.
What?
Oh, wow.
I think to finish this up, I'm gonna add a little more red and a little more purple underneath my eyes. And then, yeah, I look pretty roughed up. Okay, guys, honestly, I think this is it. Wait, hold on, let me. Here comes the bride, all dead inside. Anyways, obviously I think some things what I would do better for next time is like blending this out a little bit more, like it's kind of sloppy, but I think when it comes to the face, I think I did a really good job. I think I might do this for Halloween. Why not? I don't know if I'll be a dead bride, but I might just be like a dead hot person. Anyways, let me know what you're gonna be for Halloween down below. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate every single one of you. Now go ahead, leave a like and a comment. Make sure you subscribe and also turn on notifications so you know when I post my next video. I don't have anything that I gotta do right now because I'm dead. I'll see you guys later. Bye!